Coordinating conjunctions are special words that connect two equal parts in a sentence. Today we focus on the conjunction, and it joins similar ideas, words, or sentences together smoothly. The word "and" is a coordinating conjunction. It connects words, phrases, or clauses that have the same importance. Use "and" when you want to add one similar thing to another. I like and you like tea shows "and" connecting two similar actions. Red and blue colors connects two similar nouns. Notice how "and" always joins things that match in type. Apples and oranges connects two similar nouns that are fruits. Run and jump joins two similar action words or verbs. Both sides of "and" must be the same kind of word. I like tea and coffee uses "and" to connect two similar objects. She runs and sings joins two similar actions in simple sentences, and makes sentences flow naturally. We went to the park and played games connects two complete actions. He studied hard and passed the test shows two related results. Each part could stand alone as a sentence. Compound sentences use "and" with a comma to join two full ideas. He likes music and she likes dancing connects two independent thoughts. Notice the comma before "and." Practice connecting similar words with "and." Fill in the blank, coffee blank cookies. The answer is coffee and cookies. "And" always joins matching words or ideas.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.